Hey guys, in this video we'll be reviewing an external enclosure from the company of ArgomTech. Now this enclosure is a 2.5 SATA hard drive enclosure with USB 2.0. So it's compatible with Windows 98, SE, ME, 2000, XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Also, it is compatible with the Mac OS 8.6 or more. So I'm gonna pull it, take it out. So it's for laptops. As you can see, the size has a little LED at the top to show you when it's powered on, and a USB connection. Now, putting that there. Okay. It has USB 2.0 connection. And they even give you like a little screwdriver. This is cute. Little screwdriver, little screws rather. Manual. Basically detailing how you can use it. A little mat. I guess you can put the enclosure on it, create a little friction. Okay, kind of difficult doing it with my one hand, but I'll get it done. Take too long. Okay, now it's out. Oops, it fell because apparently it was not screwed in. But is there? Okay, so the screw is going to the side of both ends. You can see the SATA connection. So it can only work with a SATA hard drive. So if you have so if you have an IDE connection, this will not be able to connect to it. It needs to be a SATA hard drive. So here's my SATA hard drive. It's a Toshiba hard drive, and it is a hard drive that I had in a laptop that I no longer use, but I would love to be able to access the information onto it. Now, it is basically, if you can see it, 120 gigabytes and a SATA. So I'm gonna screw this out of this little holding and slide it in, and hopefully it works. Okay, so I've slid it in. Now I'm going to basically connect that part right there onto it. Okay, so now it's connected onto it. I'm just gonna gently take my time. That slid in. I'm just gonna screw one here and screw in one here, and then I'll be done with that. Okay, so there's an extra screw remaining, but I don't see anywhere on it that it would go. It's here as a screw. You can see better. Okay, here it go. And here it go. So now I'm gonna connect the USB connection onto it and then connect it to my laptop. Alright, so I plugged it in right here, and here it is on the screen. So you can see that it is has showed up, and the green LED light is showing that it's powered on and it is working. So no issue here. If I go inside of it, I can see the information from off of my hard drive. Now having an external enclosure reaps a lot of benefits. One is that if you have a defective laptop that's not working, or you're unable to log into and access a certain amount of information, or information at all, you can slide it into an external, right, and easily access that information from another computer. Another benefit is that it's very portable. Can go anywhere with it. You know, all you need to do is eject it or turn off the machine, and that's it. You can take it with you wherever you go. They're not expensive. I think this one cost me maybe $9 or $10 if I remember correctly. So yeah, they're really cool, and you get little extra bonuses, little goodies in the boxes, like this little mat. Can use it maybe for my keyboard, depending on how shiny it is, or I can just use it to keep my enclosure on a soft area. You get your user manual depending on which one you buy. You also got a screwdriver. This is very cool because for a person like me who a lot of time I open up laptops and small components, I tend to need screwdrivers like this a lot. So this is an added bonus for me. So you know, totally worth the $9 or $10. So, and that's the ArgomTech USB 2.0 external enclosure. Now, thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, if you want more videos like this, click like, share, subscribe. You know, you can leave a comment down below if you want more information. And I think that's it for me. I'm out.